Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to design a user login with Sketchware using UpDocs. So let's start. As starting, today we are going to design a UI user interface of login. So this is the first login that we are making. So first of all, you have to download two applications, which is called Shaolin. This is the application. Download this one, and UpDocs, this one. So these two applications you need to download, and I will set the download link in the description below. So open UpDocs, and we can search the login one UI one. So this is the first UI we are making design. So click it, or else you can search from the search bar by login UI one, login UI one, here 0. So this is the one, and this is the login design that we are going to design today. So as easier, the developer has made the open source project also. So you can download the project, click in download project, and it will open from a browser. So therefore, to download the project, you need Shaolin. So now Shaolin will be open in the browser. So if you don't have Shaolin, the application, please install by the install button of Shaolin. Or if you have, in case this, I have the Shaolin app, so I'm opening it. And so this is the platform, the project. Click to unlock, download project. The project will be downloaded. Okay, now the project is downloaded completely. So now let's open this Sketchware and refresh. Okay, now UpDocs login is there. So now let's click it, and done. So this is the UI we are designed. So as I explained, so this is what's happened. So these are two image. This is an image, and this is a text view. Putting padding of in a linear 4. The padding is 8 and the bottom is 0. So you can see there's no padding inside in the bottom. So the edit text I have set in programming. So this is the edit text I am creating, that is created, edit text 1, edit text 2, and I am putting some material with Android X. So make sure that this project should be compiled with Android X, the latest version of Sketchware. So if you don't have Sketchware latest version, and if you don't have Android X library, so there is an application called iAskit, and I have made the video that you can convert to Android X, and you can remove or reverse to Android X. So in case you want to convert, so this project is already converted to Android X, so no issues. So this is a button, and this is another reset button, so you can customize as you wish. So let's try to run. Sorry for the ads. This is provided by Sketchware. So now it's working. So what is the best update of Sketchware? Because this the latest update of Sketchware, the projects are running very fast. You can get the output very quickly in few seconds. Now you can see it's already DX running, and now the APK also running. Okay, APK building, and okay, let's install and see the UI. Open and done. So this is the UI, login UI 1, made by Manish Nirmal with UpDocs. So you can see, this is free open source. You can implement to your application or any other else. And hope you like this user interface, and please subscribe. Thank you.